subscriber. We are watching Str8yaad TV, and today we're going to give you a little sneak preview where the countryside at a river is called Glassy. But due because we're in the hurricane season right now, we're having a lot of rainfall. So every hour between 12 o'clock, after 12, we have a lot of rainfall. I know the river should be much pure and much clearer. We can see a glimpse of everything that's taking place. But we're here at this river, and it is a river from back in the days, my great-grandparents, my grandmother, and this is heartbreaking right now to be here in Jamaica, this natural river that flows through. I also want to tell you that this river stream runs straight to the pump house in Logwood, which supply all the hotel in Negril with water supply, and this has never run dry. It's a beautiful scenery, but coming up in a couple of days, as soon as the rainfall cuts, we'll have a better view of the river, what's taking place. So let's take a look. We're here. Oh, back on this side, I have to take a dip because when you ever come to Jamaica and you're in a natural river, we always have a tradition saying, whenever you come to the river, we have to show respect to our great ancestors. So before you jump into the water, our great grandparents would say, okay, you have to pay the river. So by paying the river, you carry some coin. I know back in the state, they would call it the nickel or dime, but it has to be silver, nothing with copper, because in Jamaica we have two types of silver, the $20 with the Marcus Garvey with the copper around it. It's not valued to the water. So I'm holding a $5 coin in my hand, so to speak, right now. So you come to the river and you make your wish and you drop in your coin and then you jump in. But you have to be very calm and let water pass through the stream and you make your wish like a meditation center. The reason why I love this river is for adults, it's for kids also. We have a slide that is a traditional slide from ever since. Like if little kids, they want to go into a slide, the adult will take them to this side because we have 3 cupboards that extract the water to the next side. So the little baby will be on her back and hold on to us, and we lie down and the water just shoot up across on this side, and there we have it. It's an awesome slide, as you can see. So I'm going to go into the water again. So I make my emergency wish. Then I jump in. Alright? So flow baby, I'm gonna take a next jump again. We're the beautiful Glassy River. Woo! Okay, starting off back on the stream. We go to the swimming part where adults and kids can swim. But I know a lot of people, they're very private and they want to take a swim. So in order for them not seeing a lot of people to in contact with, we're going like to the head of the stream because this river runs all the way from the mountain. It's called the Jerusalem Mountain. And we also have a river that connects to this one, which is called the Canaan Heights. It's the same connection. So I'm just walking in the river a little bit and upstream. And earlier on, I'm going to show you also the parking lot and everything. We have a lot of fruit trees, so to speak. A lot of fruit trees here. We have the mango. And every river in Jamaica, we do have a lot of bamboo tree circulated because the bamboo is very important. The bamboo keeps the roots and keeps the stream flowing. So I'm just traveling upstream a little bit to give you a sneak preview of how things has been done. So if you have your seabed or your tire or your tube, you can just like blow it up and float on it and swim all the way to the river. The current and the stream, it will take you all the way down to the river. So it's very beautiful. Because now we're getting a lot of rainfall, it's not so clear how we want it, but it's a good look. It's a very good look. And it's a very nice site for like picnic and cookouts, so forth. So if you're planning to come to the river, you can bring your stuff with you to do a cookout, your sausages. You can also bring your marshmallow But we Jamaicans, we normally carry like roasted breadfruit, saltfish, or salt mackerel, or ackee along on the road trip. And it's very nice, it's very good, and the background scene is awesome, and I know you're gonna love this. So I'm just walking upstream right now. It's very nice, the water is very cool, and you know, every doctor would tell you that water is a very good exercise, because in this river water, you have a lot of chance to hallucinate your muscles, you know, it relaxes your mind, because this is natural water. It's very good. So I'm just stepping upstream, and I'm gonna show you some more, a lot more that's been happening. So I'm just walking in the stream right now, going all the way up the stream. It was a good swim in the river today. It was very awesome. We love it.
It was very awesome. It's so awesome.
It was very awesome. As you can see, I'm leaving from the river. But Str8yaad TV, big up yourself once more. Big up to a subscriber.
Wagwan guys, I hope you all enjoyed that beautiful adventure and scenery through our local Glassy River. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow these 3 pages at Str8yaad, Str8yaad_cooking, and Str8yaad Tours. And I'm saying guys, and like a picture of them too, period. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and I'm saying which part of the video was your favorite. And tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to head over to Str8yaad TV and subscribe, and we out. Deuces.